Namaste. Hey guys, this is Arpan Abhishek. Okay, let's cut that and start. Hey guys, in this video we are going to be starting our first programming language, JavaScript. By the way, Java and JavaScript are two different things. Okay, apart from being the fact that both are programming language, nothing is similar between them. Okay, one fun fact that JavaScript, when released first, that time Java was really popular. So that's why they came up with the name JavaScript in the hope that it also became famous, and it did. Yeah. So by the way, you can write normally JavaScript in the browser itself. Let me show you. If you press Ctrl Shift and I, console, well, it should open element. You can select here console and this should open. Okay, and here you can write JavaScript like console.log hello world. Yeah, it prints. Well, you can guess it. This is a console and we are logging hello world. So that's it. For now, let's just ignore this undefined and let's try some different things like 6 plus 9 15. Okay, so we can do here multiple operations and all, like minus, multiply. So you get the gist, right? But I don't want you to do like this. Okay, another way to do is using an HTML file. Like in the last videos we have made a number of HTML files. So we can do this. We can add a script tag at the bottom of our body. Okay, this is a really big one. So let's do here. Okay, I forgot. Okay, let's do here. Script. You don't need to follow right now. Okay, I'm gonna, okay, we can write this only, console.log from the flex file. Oh damn it, from the flex file. Okay, let's change to the browser and let's open with the live server. By the way, I'm gonna open with it and let's see. Yeah, now we can open the console with Ctrl Shift I and it should log here from the flex file. This is because of the live reload, that's why. Okay, so yeah, it's working. Another thing we can do is we can write here alert. This is an alert, and if we change to the browser, we can see this is an alert. Okay, you might have seen this in the browsers, but today is all about programming JavaScript, and for that I don't want to use browser at all. Okay, so this is a really cool invention, Node.js by Randall. What this does is this enable us to run Node.js on our computers, on our local machine. Okay, so I'll show that in a bit, but first I want you to download this LTS version of Node.js and we will be good to go. So just download and come back to the VS Code, and now we won't be moving back and forth to the browser. We'll be here, and we'll be here. Let's delete this. Let's move to index.js. By the way, I made this another folder called JavaScript, and here we have index.html file. For this video, we'll just need the file and our terminal. Okay, you can open it with control plus backticks, which you'll find above the tab key. Okay, now after installing your node, by the way, let's move to first this JavaScript folder. So after installing your node, and you can run in your terminal just node, and you'll find this. Okay, now you can type this is same like your browser's console, so you can write here hello world. Yeah, exactly the same. Okay, you can press Ctrl D. We are not using that. Also, we are gonna write JS file and then run it with a node like this. We can write console.log hello. Okay, enough of hello world. Let's ask how are you world, because world is not fine right now. So let's run node index. We don't need to write .js, but we can write .js also, and it will work the same way. Okay, now node, for now you have just to know about node, that node is something that helps us to run on our JavaScript on our machine. Okay, later on in the backend part of this series, I'll explain what exactly how node can set up a server. Okay, that is really good. By the way, server is just a computer on the network. Okay, so it's not something different. There also node is helping us to run JavaScript on our machine, which is not local, which is on the network, which is also called server. So now I'm just going to discuss these 5 elements, so hopefully it should not take much time. Okay, first, operators. Right now you saw 3 operators, right? 3 plus 5, 3 plus 5, 5 plus 6, and 2 plus 3. Well, these are not gonna return anything right now, index.js, because we are not console.logging. Okay, so we can write here console.log, or we can just say node and 4 plus 5. Now you saw that previously when we write console.log, there was undefined, something called undefined. That was the return. Okay, whenever we perform an action, it returns something. Okay, when we perform console.log, it doesn't return anything. It logs the content to console and returns undefined. Okay, but here when we do 4 plus 5, it returns 9. So when it returns 9, we can take the data to the console.log and log it to the console. It might sound complicated, but it is really simple. Console.log, this thing returns 9, console.log takes, this returns 8, console.log takes 8 and logs it to the console. Simple, as simple as that. Control D, node index.js 8. Okay, now okay, let's see, 4 plus 5, let's see, node 6 plus 5, 11. When we see console.log, 6 plus 5. Okay, 6 plus 5 returns 11. Console.log takes 11 and prints it to the console. when we type hello world, this returns hello world, simply hello world. Okay, that is what happening every time when you perform an action. When you do anything, it returns something, or it doesn't in case of console.log. Okay, and console.log is taking and printing it to the console. Okay, that's console.log. And this is operator. Basically we have different types of operators, like arithmetic operators, which is add, plus, minus, multiply, comma, multiply, divide, and modulus. Modulus returns us the remainder. Okay, like let's see, this is the plus. Okay, now let's write these all four are simple arithmetic, like we did in maths up to 4, 3, 4, I don't know. So if we divide, I don't know, let's divide 5 by 2. What should be the remainder? Okay, I'm really bad at math, so I'm not gonna tell you this. Node index 1. Okay, cool. So if we divide it, we should get 2. Actually not 2, we'll get 2.5, because it is not giving us the integer only, it gives the decimal point also. But in the remainder we'll get what after the integer division. Okay, for integer division, 5 divided by 2 will be the quotient and 1 will be the remainder. Okay, I hope you're getting this. I just hope you're getting this. Okay, by the way, if you think after I'm saving how this is happening, I'm using an extension called Prettier. Here it is, where it is, here it is, Prettier code formatter. Okay, you can install it, and you can search it here and install it, and you can go to settings, file, preferences, settings, and search for format, and you can say format on save. Okay, so whenever we will save our file, it will be formatted automatically. Okay, so now these are arithmetic operators. Let's see some logical operator, or just logical. Logical is I don't know. Before logical, let's see relational operator. Greater than, less than, equal to. Why it is 2 equal? Yeah, it's not a mistake. Okay, we have to use double equal. I'll tell you why. Not equal is this, a bang symbol, exclamation mark, or bang as we call it, and an equal. Then we have less than equal, greater than equal, and pretty much it. Okay, now I wanna do this, perform this inside the node terminal, so that we can easily get the output. 6 greater than 9, false. 9 less than 5, false. Let's see, 2 equal to, true. 2 not equal to, 2, false. Okay, so by the way, this I did not complete my statement, that's why I was pushed down to another line, and then basically you got the point, right? So did we cover all? No. Okay, to greater than 3 greater than equal 5, false. Okay, 4 greater than equal 4, true. Okay, you get the point, right? This is basically relational operator. It will convert the left side to the right side. It will compare. Okay, comparison or relational, you can say. Okay, next we have logical. Basically you can logical, we have and, or, and not. Okay, we saw not with equal before, so basically this will, okay, let me just show you this. Okay, let me just show you this. Yeah, what okay, I'm not getting any examples, man. Let's see. 4 equal 5, 4 greater than 5, or 5 greater than 6. Okay, this is false and this is also false, so or will give false. But if one of them is true, or will give true. You know, like and or not table in your Boolean algebra, that's what it is. Okay, if any of them are true, or will give true. If all of them are true, or will give true, obviously. And if none of them are true, all will give false, like this one. And on the other hand, by the way, let's see not here only. We can, you know, negate the value using not. Like it was given true, this will give false. Okay, not basically converts true to false, false to true. As simple as that. Okay, we can also use it here. Let's make it more complicated. True. As simple as that. Yeah, on the other hand, if we used and here, and here, because this was true and the first one is false, we will get false. For and to return true, all of them, but both of the sides should be true. Okay, even if one of them is not true, and will return false. That's all about and operator or logical operator. Okay, what else? Arithmetic, relational, logical. I guess these are the main operators you need to know. Rest all are can be covered as the as we progress, as we make apps. For now, these 3 operators can be enough. Okay, now variables and data types. Let's see. Should we do this in 5 different videos? Because I'm sweating like hell, seriously. It's summer, man. I've turned off the fan and I'm recording the video. So let's make 5 separate videos, okay, every day. So okay, now I'm gonna sign off, but if you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Okay, sharing is very important, guys. Sharing helps me to grow. Okay, sharing helps me to, I'm just gonna out of my mind, sorry. Please share the video if you like this video, and I'll see you next tomorrow. I promise that tomorrow. I did not post video yesterday because I don't know, I was not feeling well, so now I'm posting it right now, and I'll be posting every day hopefully. So please share the video and peace out.